Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the BMW HP2 Sport, which is a beautiful 118 scale Diecast Superbike replica manufactured by Motomax, and we are going to compare this with the same model manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motomax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale diecast model of the BMW HP2 Sport manufactured by Motomax, which is a company I recently came across that manufactures quite a few amazing diecast motorcycles. And at first glance, this diecast model is a superbike replica that looks quite good and has a decent build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it good looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps and standard running details, and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a good collectible which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So let's go ahead and take a look at the exteriors of this motorcycle alongside with the black and white variant, which is manufactured by Maisto. And with these models, you're guaranteed replicas which are built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So let's go ahead and take a look. And with that out of the way, now let's place these diecast beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these motorcycles are your favorite, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast models in the description below. And what we're looking at now is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica of the BMW HP2 Sport, which is manufactured by Motomax. And coming up is the 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica of the BMW HP2 Sport manufactured by Maisto. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these diecast motorcycles. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The BMW HP2 Sport is a boxer engine sports motorcycle produced by BMW Motorrad from 2008 to 2012. It is the successor of the BMW R1200S. The engine is a 1170cc flat-twin oil-head with air-cooled cylinders and oil-cooled heads. The HP2 Sport was a very well received motorcycle, and Motorcycle News declared it to be BMW's finest sporting package, adding, "It is a lot of bike with a serious amount of performance goodies. Not only does it make a brilliant road-going bike, the BMW HP2 will cut up rough tracks at any day." BMW produced two other very different HP2 machines, the HP2 Megamoto of 2007 to 2010 and HP2 Off-Road machine from 2005 to 2008, neither of which were as well received as the HP2 Sport. And further information on the BMW HP2 Sport, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones these 118 scale diecast motorcycles that are featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these motorcycles are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.